Hi, and thanks again for watching my channel. Today I'm going to do a daily look, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Liquid Halo HD Foundation. It's broad spectrum SPF 15. It's oil free. I did put on some SPF beforehand because I just like to have more SPF on me, and it's the Neutrogena Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen SPF 50. So now that I put that on, I'll go ahead and pump a little bit in the back of my hand, like that. And I don't use this foundation every day, but I do use it when, every now and then, because it's a really nice, easy, lightweight foundation that I enjoy applying and using. And with my wet sponge, I'm just gonna start to pat it in. And I'm gonna put a little bit more on over my cheek area. And my nose, still kind of red. Okay. So that's me with about 1.5 layers of the Smashbox HD Foundation Liquid Halo, and the color that I'm in is 3. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that to kind of set in, I will do my brows. I found it. Back to work. Okay, now I'm gonna do my brows. And then I'm gonna take a tissue and gently go over it just to kind of buff it out, give it a softer look. Actually, Do you feel the same way? Sometimes I have trouble with my brows and where to begin them. Like, I don't know if they're, I heard that it should start from where the tip of your nose is, like this. So that's what I'm kind of basing it on, and I think that looks right. What do you guys think? Yeah, so if you do this, this is where your arch is supposed to be. That. So, I don't give myself much of an arch, and I'm not sure why, but I kind of like how my brows look a little more straight than they do arched. I don't know, what are your thoughts on that? Do you like more of a straight or an arched brow? And if you don't like the other way, why? Or maybe it's just more of a personal preference, but yeah. Anyway, this is how I do my brows. And then I'll do some concealer. And I have the Maybelline concealer. It's the Fit Me in 20 Sand Sable. And I'm just gonna put some under my eyes like this. And sometimes I like using my fingers, and other times I like using a brush. So I will just use my Real Techniques brush, contour brush. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't use this because I think I dipped this in my bronzer. And yeah, I don't think I want bronzer under my eyes. So I think I'll use this instead. And this is my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush F80. Should be fine. Just gonna buff it in. And I'm not really, what do you call it, precise with this. I just kind of do this because I kind of also use it as a primer, and it just brightens my eye area. So there's that. Now, what I will do, this is my Smashbox review. So what do I think of the Smashbox Liquid Halo HD Foundation? I like it because it's a light foundation. I would consider it to be like a medium coverage, not full coverage, because I can still see through my skin. And this is like 1.5 layers. But if I look close up at my skin, it doesn't look cakey, and so it gives me a natural finish. And it doesn't break me out, and it's, let me see, I don't know, I just like it overall because, it gives me that natural look. And is it dewy? I don't think it's dewy. I think it's kind of like a semi-matte look. But yeah, I do see a little bit of like faint dewiness, but I like it a lot. To me, I also have hyperpigmentation, so my skin has like this redness to it, natural redness to it, especially in the cheeks. And I've been using this Clinique corrective serum, custom repairer, to try and even out my skin tone. I don't know if it's really working. I'll look in my past videos to see if it is, but like just by looking at myself, I don't really notice that big of a difference. I remember when my hyperpigmentation was really bad, that there would be like a splotch right here, but I do notice that it doesn't look as evident, like especially right here. But I think it's evened out the major splotches on my face, but like the smaller ones, I still see through it, and I do have freckles. But yeah, I mean, I would say that Smashbox, it's a bit pricey. What can I compare it to? I don't know. I can't compare it to any foundation because it is a unique type of liquid foundation if you are into liquid foundations. So, and it's supposed to photograph really well. And yeah, I mean, I can see that. I mean, it's actually, it does photograph really well. You just have to, it depends like on how comfortable you are and how much makeup you wear. But yeah, this is a great everyday foundation. So I would recommend it. I bought this kind of like on a whim, so I don't know if I would buy this again. What I would buy is the Lancome Tint Idol. Tint Idol. I think that's the line that I'm referring to. But yeah, I would definitely purchase that again. But this one, maybe. So anyway, okay. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope this answered any of your questions on the Smashbox Foundation. If you have any questions or you think this is a great video, or you have any other comments or any other foundations that you think is a great foundation, then let me know. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thumbs up. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.